From Divine Sister of the Light Eirini Crystal and Indigo Guide to the Galaxy, Athena, Rock and Water, Message. A whole new field of remembrance opens up after the lifting of the final anchor. The chakras are being adjusted to the galactic radio. The next physical revelation is galactic. There are unprecedented and challenging developments for humanity ahead that will only work for the highest good. The upgrade and upliftment of the living ones are so big that have caused a huge wave of revelation, change, and shadow cleansing on Earth. This is why now the galactic level has opened in the physical, and the calling for alignment is here. The Kundalini is restoring fast. The blockages are breaking. Each of the nodes connect to different planets and star systems, which are in each individual's astrological birth chart, body, and field. This is how the equilibriums open. Via the equilibriums, the doors to new realities and freedom open. Soon a big jump in consciousness will take place for humanity. While this will be taking place, we will be dancing, singing, making love, and celebrating. But first, there is a little bit more to do. Perhaps the most important and revealing part of the mission up until now. Becoming the owner of your ladder is a major achievement that only few saints manage through the history of humanity. The energy returns to the true owner. The thief is left empty. This is human biology healing, health and sanity. Let us just say that the finest of the finest are here. The best and most special galactic commandos who came in defying all costs. The pirates of the free seas of the world, the free spirits and most knowledgeable world teachers. Capricorn is the gate through which the most advanced souls enter this realm. The goat has a range from the depth of the sea to the top of the mountain. Cancer is where they exit through. Rock and water. If you know, you know. Atlas, code of restoration and Trinity unification. Self-realization is so much fun. Do you remember what you did? What about the deserters? The biggest shadow is still to be revealed. Shock and awe. Let us laugh. How about the greatest correction? Galactic blessings to all. Eirini, Amalthea Thor, Har Zaronia, Hunama Anata Kumara, Yellow Galactic Warrior.